Hello Doug. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use some of the basic features of Wix to help you make basic changes to the website that you might need to make. First thing we'll do is go to Wix. You would have to be logged into your Wix account, and at the top left, if you click on an option that says My Sites, you would want to make sure that you are connected and added as a contributor to the Country Friars website, and you would hit Edit Site. The only thing that you probably would need to make some changes to would be listed on each individual product page. So we will go to where it says Pages Home at the top, and that'll show us all of the listed pages in the website. But we'll start with the Veggies page and go over adding the descriptions and a title to each one of the photos. Now, in its current organization, the title and the description won't show underneath the product, but if you would like to have it appear under the product, you can hit Add, and then where it says Text at the top, choose one of the listings. I would recommend I am a paragraph text here. So when we click on it, it'll add a little paragraph box that you can move around by just clicking on it and dragging it, and that'll sit right in front of the or below the product. And the box can be resized just by grabbing the edges, and then if we want to type inside of it, just click 3 times. You'll be able to change the font and the color and all that stuff if you want to by, for instance, with the text selected, hitting color, and then say we wanted it to be green, we could click on the little green circle and that will change the color to green. Then we can change what it says. This is the product. All right. Exclamation point. All right. So now that's going to be listed there underneath the product as its description if you would like to have that there. Now, if you would like the description to also show when a person clicks on the product, first I'd like to show you that you would need to go to Settings with the whole box selected, because each one of the product areas is called a gallery, and that gallery is one big thing. So we have to actually go to Settings by clicking on that group or that grouping, and then hit Manage Media in the box that popped up after we clicked on Settings. Then I want you to notice each product, when clicked, will give us a title and a description. So you can fill this out with the same thing that you typed underneath the product inside of the text box. And once you've typed that in, hit done. Now, in this same window that is open as a result of going to Settings, you would go to Expand, which will allow you to close that, scroll down inside of Expand and say Display Info on Expand under Automatically Display Info. And make sure that under Info to Display you have Description checked. And if you have a title, you can add the titles as well. But if you don't have a title, it's just going to put in the generic photo information name. So you might want to have that turned off and just allow the description to appear in the expanded view. The expanded view is when the window expands to show you the large version of the photo once you click on the photo. So the things that I've just shown you are all the things that you should need to do on the main website to show a description for the item that you are currently viewing. So if we go to Preview and preview how the site's going to act and how it's going to look, when I click, notice the product info here at the bottom, that's your description. Click on the product, and here's our description here on the side, and there, of course, is the image in full screen view. So if we had gone in and done that for each one of the images, then when you go to the next image, of course, it will be shifted slightly to the left, and you see the description on the right side. And that concludes adding a description to an existing product in your product line, as well as the floating text box in front of it that allows you to put this description below the product if you should want to do that.